How to access Telegram if you forgot passcode. First of all, open up your Telegram application and type in your phone number and select your country. After you're done with that, tap on this arrow icon, and on the next page you will have to verify your number, and after that you may need to ask to enter your passcode. There, if you have set up the two-factor verification or two-factor authentication in your Telegram account using your email, then with the help of email or with the help of your backup email, you can recover your account. In your email, you will get a verification code. Simply type in the verification code, and with the help of that code, you will be directly logged into your account. If you don't have two-factor authentication enabled in your account and you don't have any backup email, here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to uninstall the Telegram application from your device. So simply tap and hold on Telegram application and then tap on app info. After that, tap on uninstall. Once you uninstall the application, open up the Play Store in your device, and from the Play Store again install the application. Once the application is installed, simply open up the application and again you will land on this login page. So then tap on start messaging. After that, you have to type in your phone number along with your country. Then tap on this arrow icon. After that, you have to verify your phone number. To receive the authentication code in your SMS, there is an option as request an SMS that will be available after that period of time. Once it's available, simply tap on request an SMS, and in SMS you will receive a verification code. Simply type in the code, and with that you'll be logged in with your account. So that's the way to access Telegram if you forgot your passcode. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.